Hi, I'm Shane Balkham, Client Investment Director at US Management. Welcome to my 2-minute missive. The cry of an AI bubble has got a bit louder since my last missive, mainly from the media outlets looking to sell subscriptions on the basis of fear. But it's important to remember that clients will read these, and we need to reassure. Over-rotating into cash at the wrong time can give a sense of relief, but we know that cash does not outperform over the long term. It's important to remember that in every year we climb what is known as a wall of worry. There will be certain geopolitical events, certain thematic events that cause us to guess whether it's right to be invested or not, and timing the markets is impossible. So staying invested, it's better to be invested in these long-term trends and take on board the short-term drawdowns than it is to try and time the markets. So AI is a long thematic trend. We capture that exposure in our portfolios, but it's important to also be diversified across other asset classes as well. That is the key for better long-term investing and give our clients better outcomes. On a separate note, UK inflation stayed at 3.8% for the third consecutive month. That might give a little bit of breathing room for the Bank of England, and the odds of a cut in December increase slightly. Next week, we have the US Federal Reserve's meeting to discuss interest rates. The odds are of another cut there, with a weakening economic backdrop, with the US government still shut, with weakening employment data. It looks certain for another rate cut there. However, it's not about calendar years. It looks like to be an uncertain end to the year, but it's about staying invested over the long term, being diversified, making sure you stick to that plan that your financial planner put in place for you. So I'm sure there'll be many missives before the end of the year, but in the meantime, please stay invested. And if you have any concerns, please speak to your financial planner. These views are my own, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.